In the world of growing technology, what according to you is one of the most talked about topics today? Will you be amazed to know that you will live your future life in boundless 3D digital world accessed through virtual reality? This may sound bizarre to most of us, but have you wondered what life in the metaverse looks like? Is our life in the metaverse going to be a science fiction movie? Life in the metaverse is going to be like living in the world of the unknowns. Well, if we had to term it, it would be a suspense-filled life. Welcome back to our channel AI Science, where we bring you some of the tech-related content that will keep you on the edge of your chair. Before we dive into the video, let us understand the concept of the metaverse. What is metaverse? As you may know,
it is time for us to adopt a new company brand to encompass everything that we do.
Facebook recently announced that it was embracing the metaverse and further rebranding the company as Meta. This news created a buzz in the world of internet. People were shaken. As per sources, Zuckerberg's company Meta spent a whopping amount of $10 billion to promote this vision in the year 2021. It is claimed that the metaverse aims to create a world that allows everyone to express themselves. The metaverse is expected to adopt virtual and augmented reality technologies to enhance the human experience. It will be a massive 3D digital world which is likely to be accessed through either virtual reality or augmented reality. For those of you who do not know, the concept of the metaverse was coined years ago by Neil Stephenson, a renowned sci-fi author. The thought of experiencing a metaverse life is quite mind-boggling. This is mainly because it creates an illusion of the physical environment inside your head. The whole world can be built with a click of a button. With a huge amount of money and vast embedded technologies, one can definitely think of the information revolution in the coming years. The concept aims at innovation, a new way of human beings interacting with each other. You may feel that interaction, be it with humans or with other living beings or objects, may seem familiar to scenes in science fiction movies. What is fiction right now? Maybe a reality in the future. What does the idea of the future digital world hold? Big tech companies are completely focused on implementing the world of the metaverse. Tech giants are implementing innovative ideas around the concept of immersive reality. Necessary demand from the users as well as required supply of hardware and software can help Metaverse to become a successful reality. The experience of the digital world will be different in several ways for us now. Living an augmented reality life in an alternate world? Is this a big yes or a big no? Known to be an enormous, interconnected network of virtual spaces, we'd be happy traveling from one virtual universe to another in the metaverse. Doesn't this sound exciting? While it may sound exciting for some of us, it gave rise to several worrisome thoughts. The question remains, how will our world look if we wear virtual reality goggles? Will these glasses give us instructions as well as guide us to live our daily lives? Or will it come with an instruction manual? Looks like most of the industries are gearing up to prepare for the new virtual world. Obviously, nobody wants to be left behind in the real normal world. Such a concept is slated to drive a social, physical, mental, and emotional evolution around us. You can explore another world and gain insights from it. You may understand that each individual will have a character that represents themselves in the metaverse, which will be known as an avatar. Certainly, we would understand and learn to express pieces of ourselves through these avatars. Metaverse, a topic of interest. Known to be a place beyond reality, Metaverse is an idea that not many of us are aware of. We yet have to understand the wonders it can do in our lives. You can live your life without any boundaries and limits. You can watch, hear, touch, and interact with people in your world. You are beyond the screen of your computer, witnessing a 360-degree view around you. With the metaverse, anything is possible. Yes, you heard it right. You can attend a virtual concert, you can participate in a virtual game. Moreover, you can travel virtually to any part of the world and build memories. You will get to see places that you've never seen before while completely being immersed in the environment. The ability to teleport yourself is the most amazing feature. Isn't this concept amazing? The seamless convergence of technology into the real world is what we all want to witness. One should not forget that we'll still remain human beings behind the avatar. In the world of the metaverse, you can meet your family and friends who are located miles away from you. Interestingly, technology will always assist you to interact with your loved ones in a natural manner. In short, you're not only viewing the content through your eyes, but you're living in it. Life in Metaverse is a perfect combination of social networking and augmented reality and body-borne computing or wearable computing, improving work efficiency. Apparently, Metaverse will change the way we work. You can avoid the hustle and bustle of traveling and have your own virtual advanced and functional office space with your co-workers. What is more fascinating than assembling your own virtual wall of monitors that can display anything? Additionally, you can browse the internet, read the news, or watch your favorite movie anywhere from your virtual desktop. How cool is that? Working with such a virtual digital representation is expected to boost your productivity and enhance your efficiency in terms of getting work done. The overflow of digital tools and assets will improve the quality of remote working. To educate our viewers a bit, the world of the metaverse is a world that grows in a future where cryptocurrency and digital art, known as non-fungible token, are commonplace. Non-fungible tokens or NFTs act as a deed of ownership for a digital asset. NFTs provide the creators a said opportunity to earn money and profits in the metaverse. Additionally, students from remote villages will have access to a high-quality educational curriculum. Dining in a metaverse life. Now the question arises as to how well will the food service industry adapt to the metaverse concept? If we see from the positive side, metaverse opens a plethora of opportunities in the food service industry. In a restaurant, customers will be allowed to see virtual menus. Further, in a virtual setting, guests can choose their foods and beverages. This will not only make a huge difference to the food service industry, but will also take the customer's restaurant experience to an unexpectedly higher level. What's the reality of virtual dining? The Gen X diners will be able to walk into a restaurant, order food as per their convenience, and pay as per their augmented reality world. This experience will be similar to that of what we watch and witness in video games. Wow, this certainly has to be the next world experience. One may note that advertising in this tech-savvy universe of the food industry will play a crucial role due to an ocean of alternatives. Consumer interactions will accelerate as they'll be able to see how their food is being prepared. Diners will be part of their food preparation in their dining setting and can accordingly make changes to the ingredients present in their food. How exciting is this virtual setup? Only time can tell us how small restaurants and bistros adapt to such massive technological changes along with their financial implications. Surprisingly, real restaurants will be a thing of the past. Comment below if you want to experience the reality of a virtual restaurant. Should we embrace the metaverse? We know the common question at the back of everyone's mind is, why should we incorporate a metaverse life? Well, with metaverse, you'll be able to go beyond your computer screen and experience new things in your life. Metaverse has the power and the command to bring us all closer together. Technology will immerse all of us in an alternate world. You need to find ways to survive and adapt to the world of reality. Technologies such as augmented reality, virtual reality, computer-generated simulation of a 3D image or environment are the major components in life of Metaverse. Now, you can only wait and watch as to how superimposing a computer-generated image on a user's view of the real world can change the current landscape. Companies like Meta claim that they're building and improving these devices, though the technology is still under process. To safeguard the interest and integrity of the virtual reality world, we would require laws, rules, regulations, and defined standards. Known as the future of the internet, Metaverse will be able to help you to experience and witness new things in a natural manner. However, only time can tell us if the concept of Metaverse will successfully replace real-life experiences. What's the likelihood of living your life in the Metaverse? Are you ready to experience such a life that you have previously watched only in a sci-fi movie? Comment below. Loved our content today? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel AI Science. Thanks for watching.